Hi guys, good afternoon, and this is Sridevi Chaudhary here. Well, thank you, first of all, Madhvi, Dr. Madhvi, the owner of Celebrity Secrets and Room 9, the pop-up store, has launched this pop-up store today. And the best part of the whole thing is Miss Anita from Pune who has come, and her brand is called Jewelry. In Hindi means jewelry, and she's one of the most prominent Bollywood jewelry designer who recently designed for Sanjay Leela
Yes, we
Bansali's.
did this character Alamzeed, that is Sharmin Saigal.
Yeah.
We did her entire wedding.
Yeah.
So we did, and it was.
So basically, Anita is one of the prominent designers in Bollywood, and she's come first time into South. And Dr. Madhvi was gracious to start this beautiful place, the Room 9 pop-up store, to launch this whole brand. And thank you, Dr. Madhvi, for inviting me to be the chief guest today. And I'm extremely happy. This exhibition is for about 3 days.
3 days.
3 days. So please come, enjoy the exhibition. Amazing saris, amazing jewelry, and great place to watch. Thank you.
I'm Anita Oswal. I'm the owner for this brand known as Johari. Johari means connoisseur of the true real art. I'm sure all you Hyderabad people are going to love our jewelry. I have been doing jewelry for last more than 35 years. I think from the age of 17, 18, I've been into the jewelry designing and manufacturing field. Our entire family, be it sister, be it my dad, be it my cousins, we all are into a manufacturing unit. I'm very, very thankful to Dr. Madhvi. She invited me to come and present our jewelry to all you Hyderabad lovely people at her own pop up store known as Room 9. I'm very, very thankful to Sri Devi Chaudhary ji. She has been very, very kind and she has always appreciated our jewelry and encouraged me to do more better work. She has guided me, handholded me of how the jewelry and aesthetic sense should be in place and how to coordinate and help people, help women to put their saris and jewelry together. Shri, I'm very, very thankful to you,
Thank you.
for
Thank you,
hand-holding me
Anita.
so well. I have been doing jewelry for the Bollywood industry and some top industrialist business people all over India. I have done a lot of jewelry for Aishwarya Rai, Priyanka Chopra, Sonakshi Sinha. Recently, I have done jewelry for Sanjay Leela Bansali's niece, her wedding, Sharmeen Sehgal. Her wedding was done by us. And if you know, Sanjay Leela Bansali is very, very particular and he's a very creative man. And when he appreciated my jewelry, I think I've won the award of my life. So I'm very grateful to Sanjay Leela Bansali sir for it. And I'm very, very sure you all Hyderabad people are going to love our jewelry, love our creations. Thank you so much for accommodating me in this beautiful Hyderabad where there are gigantic big jewelry stores. Thank you so much for encouraging me.
Dr. Madhvi.
Hi, I'm Dr. Madhvi, founder of Celebrity Secrets, as you know. So today, even I'm a founder of Room 9, the pop-up store. చాలా మంది అప్కమింగ్ డిజైనర్స్ అండ్ ప్రీమియం డిజైనర్స్ లైక్ అనిత కవిత వీళ్ళందరూ ఏంటంటే ఒక బెస్ట్ ప్లేస్ కావాలి హైదరాబాద్లో కొంచెం ఇప్పుడు శ్రీ లాంటి వాళ్ళు రావాలి అంటే కూడా ఒక ప్రీమియం ప్లేస్ కావాలి అని చెప్పేసి చాలామంది చూస్తారు. సో ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ అనమాట. సో ఐ రియలీ అప్రిషియేట్ దిస్ జ్యువెలరీ షో అండ్ కవిత కోపార్కర్ అని చెప్పి తన బనారస్ సారీస్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా వెరీ హై ఎండ్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు అనిత ఈజ్ అ హోల్సేలర్ అండ్ కవిత ఈజ్ అ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరర్. సో వీళ్ళందరూ జ్యువెలరీస్ కూడా చాలా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైజెస్, అంటే మీకు మ్యారేజెస్ ఉన్నా లేకపోతే ఎనీ అకేషన్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా చాలా షాప్ కంటే కూడా చాలా తక్కువ ప్రైజెస్లో ఇక్కడ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ గ్రేట్ క్వాలిటీ ఆల్సో, బికాస్ నేను వీళ్ళు జ్యువెలరీ చేశాక నా జ్యువెలరీ నాకు నచ్చట్లేదు పాతది. సో ఇట్స్ ఆల్ హార్ట్ ఫెల్ట్ రివ్యూ అండ్ ఐ రియలీ థ్యాంక్ యూ శ్రీ సో మచ్ ఫర్ taking your time and inaugurating Room 9, because Room 9 is also your baby.
Yes.
We are all your very sisters. So she really took a grateful time, because even she doesn't promote or doesn't attend anything which is not good. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Madhvi,
for this heartfelt welcome of yours. And please support all these beautiful designers all over the world.
Yes.
And support Room 9, the pop-up store. Thank you.
Thank you. This is Sridevi Chaudhary here. Well, I'm at Room 9, the best pop-up store in Hyderabad for multi-designers who want to display their jewelry or clothes. And today we have Kavita, Miss Kavita. The brand is Prata, and she's the manufacturer of best Pythanis. Pythanis చాలా మంది చూసాం మనం అన్ని చోట్ల, but ఈమె దగ్గర ఏంటంటే amazing quality, because she monitors the weavers and she personally takes care of the fabric, the silk, everything, right, Kavita?
Yes.
Oh, the design too?
Yes.
Oh, you're a designer for the sarees also?
Yes.
And what I mentioned is, you said the peacocks were not there. What do you mean by that?
So we have a few sarees without the traditional peacoks and parrots that we usually
The
see
casual,
in Pythanis.
yeah.
So we have lots of floral designs and swans, and we've also had a lot of old borders and
Yeah.
pallu designs revived for especially for this pop-up.
So the pop-up store in Hyderabad is started by Dr. Madhvi. Everybody in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh lo Dr. Madhvi తెలియనోళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. I mean, ఏ అందమైన మొహం కనిపించినా డాక్టర్ మాధవి అంటారు, because she's one of the best. And she ventured into Room 9. Room 9 is a pop-up store, and she's encouraging the young designers and the jewelry makers everywhere from India and abroad are coming and displaying this beautiful place. Well, Madhvi, congratulations again for your new venture. So thank you so much for inviting me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are the most prestigious woman for me, because మీరు ఆ జ్యువెలరీ కానీ ఆ శారీస్ కానీ Shri carries in that way where I have never seen any client in my life till now, and that's why I admire her a lot. And whenever she wears a small saree also, I'll be stunning at her. So that's the reason I felt she's the only apt person for me in Hyderabad to launch this jewelry, because it's a premium jewelry range. And very excited big Paithani saree range
Even
also.
I've never seen.
Yes, because bridal season is coming and all bridal people don't know where to go. So this is a very good opportunity for all of you. And just imagine you're getting all these very big sarees at very reasonable prices.
Yeah, the
Because
wholesaler prices,
yeah,
yeah.
because all the designers take from them and they add on and they do lot of business. But I felt that these are really
It's
worth.
directly Paithani Lendate Kavita from weaver to the customer. So lot of prices are good. And how many days are you here in Hyderabad?
So we are here for 3 days,
Okay.
6th and 7th of. So we are here for 3 days at Room 9 pop-up store, and we'll be showcasing beautiful Paitanis directly sourced from weavers for you all. And 5th, 6th, and 7th of August. So we have pure silk, pure handloom Paitanis and Banarsis here. All of them are beautiful, revived borders, old authentic designs, very pretty colors combinations you will get to see. So we've designed for a lot of celebrities, especially back in Maharashtra. So we
Yeah.
do a lot of
Recently for the
sarees.
Ambani wedding.
Yes, so quite a few people actually wore our sarees for the Ambani wedding as well. So I'm glad. So this is my first time in Hyderabad. Pratha is showcasing for the first time in Hyderabad. I am so glad that I got an opportunity here. Thanks to Dr. Madhvi to showcase at Room 9. So thank you so much, and thank you Sridevi ma'am, because
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
feedback and appreciation means a lot to us.
Thank you so much for
Yes,
inviting me.
yes.
Thank you.